Transferring crypto between Revolut and Binance sounds complicated? Not on my watch. Let's break it down together. First up, buying crypto on Binance with Revolut Pay. Log into your Binance app, tap Add Funds, then hit Buy with EUR. If you haven't already, you might need to verify your identity. Think of it as a digital handshake. Pick your crypto, choose Revolut Pay as your payment method, and just follow the steps. Boom, you're in. Now, to withdraw crypto from Binance to your personal wallet. Head to Wallet, click Withdraw, and pick your currency, for example, Ethereum. Here's where you need your superhero focus. Pause, firmer tone, double-check your wallet address, and make sure you're picking the correct network, like ERC20 for Ethereum. Enter your amount, confirm, and finish any extra verification steps. And hey, don't forget about those sneaky fees. Always check the details before you hit send. That's it. Crypto moves made simple. You've got this.